Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. I've got some really exciting news for you. Tomorrow, Wednesday the 25th, I'm pretty much dedicating almost the entire day to do a bunch of videos that I haven't been able to get done for a while now. We'll be doing short videos as far as how we collect eggs, how we do the new coop system, how we get orders ready, how we feed and water. We'll be talking about the feed that we use and things like that. I'll be posting, the goal is that I'm going to post a video a day for the next 7 days. But the really exciting news is 7 p.m. tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time, Wednesday the 25th of March. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live and I will be showing everybody the brand new facility that we've got. And the reason I'm doing it live is so that you can join in and ask questions while I'm doing the tour. So I think we can make it a lot of fun. I think it'll be really interesting. I get, I don't know how many phone calls and text messages as far as, how we're doing things now or what the new barn looks like. So I'm really excited. I am ready to show everybody. So 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, I will show you. I hope you can meet us there and we'll see you then. Thanks guys.